Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024. Right now is 9:58 p.m. So today is the first day of the trading day of the month, and also after the long weekend. And today's job is really beyond we can kind of understand. But it basically dropped that much as I kind of look at last night and saying that not likely going to stay within this zone. Just that I could not realize that it really kind of goes that fast and getting out of a zone so quickly. And as we can see right now, today's this kind of breaking down, it really run a lot. And from the closing here to the bottom here, it ran like 144 points. And then here to here, today during the day, this is 100, basically it's 100, about 119 points. And I have to say it's a very kind of interesting to see that it closed below, right at that range, like 119 points. So this is the closing spot. That's a very interesting way that closing it. What this means going from here. So apparently the market came down here. This is pretty hard. And what I can tell you right now, so far future had already kind of a drop as much as like 34 points. The 34 points coming down from here is that if we go from 55.04, the low of the day, and that's talking about 54.70 level. So apparently it went that's not exactly the case. So 34 points is like 55.34 94. No, 54.94-ish. So we're talking about this like a 5500 level. So that's market already came back down and tried it already. Apparently it's penetrable. If we look at the future is like something to test like how much it can push, then apparently that's possible. What this really going to see is that I would say tomorrow, if say going back to the zone, that means you need to go back above 55.60-ish, so or 61. So that would need like about 33 points push from today's level. So now tomorrow, based on what I see, is that tomorrow it could possibly move like 60 points. And if that's the case, then yeah, it could possibly coming back to this middle here, say 55.96, like a 56, like a 55 55.88, so that's about like a 55.90 level. So it still will not be going above this middle level tomorrow, but who knows, it could. If say it go higher, it could go above there and coming back to the middle here. So the question is whether tonight, overnight, it dropped like a 34 points, whether that's all it has to kind of test the downside. And if say going to the downside, and for sure the first stop would be this 54.70, and that's actually right around. We are talking about 58 points drop. So if we look at it from here to here, that's right around like about 60 points kind of distance. So tomorrow, the likelihood that we could see this 54.70 level, and again coming back up here, that could be like a 55.90, and probably going to stop at 5600 level, unless something really good news come out. But again, the market could move its way, and once they get moving, and we could possibly see it coming back down to this 54.44 ish, and then well, this we're coming back down to this 54.25. So we can see all those things are gonna be coming back down and playing out in this area. So I do want to kind of quickly look at the move of today, and let me see. Hopefully, let's try not to spend too much time there. It's already happened. So this September 2nd, that's like a Monday. Monday future open like last night, and actually it make a new high actually, but it's not really sustainable. So later is as we can see here, is coming back down, and even though later it kind of try come back here, and it's already breaking down here. Yeah, as we know that closing on Friday was very strong, but the thing is that actually we look at the Monday. Actually, Monday did not make the new high. Was not able to make new high, and that probably tell a lot what's going on, or what's forthcoming after the long weekend. And probably just to take a note for future. And so even before the market open, it's already kind of tumbling down a lot here, and earlier have some kind of optimism, but later basically here is hitting this, like finish this kind of 29 points kind of drop from high to low, and later this is another 30 points, and that's about like during the at around the open. So at the open, it dropped down, it's down by about 25 points, and so I can see that here that pretty quickly at 10 o'clock it hit the 35 about 34 points, and then this is at about 2 o'clock it hit like a, or not, it moved another 34 points, and then down here, like this is 3:30, that's another uh 35 points, and it's really kind of dropping really hard, went all the way down to 55.04 level, and the good thing it come back quite a lot, like a move back up for about 24 points and close at 55.28. And yeah, so after the like a future open tonight, it continued the down move, and right now actually it's still down by 22 points. And earlier it came back some. It seems I was able to come back above the middle. Right now it's coming back down again, and so it would be interesting to see that overnight whether it can come back above the middle. Now, hopefully the earlier that the level that we talk about that's make more sense is simpler to follow and more actionable. I think so looking at the tradingeconomics.com, and this one really caught my eyes about the Japanese market. And one thing is that about the economic data, it seems like it's really kind of below the expectation. And I believe the bigger thing is about this the Bank of Japan that seems like it's going to raise the interest rate before the year ends. So that's kind of some message got pushed out again, and market picked that up. And so we know that how hard the market dropped last time, and this time I have to say it's feel like almost as severe as last time. So this is what happened last time. I believe before that there's kind of probably people knew a little bit, but this one is really the one that dropped really hard, and that day it dropped like 155 points. I would have to, well, if we look at the magnitude, this one is like it make a new high and then kind of drop down 155 points, and this one is like is from the closing to the down, it's dropping like 144 points. It's already comparable, that magnitude from the last time. I guess we probably should not underestimate that possible drop this time. And maybe last time it stopped because Bank of Japan walked back what they are telling the market, and so not sure what's going to happen today. I mean this around, but it seems like all the money is going to kind of come out, and because of that that policy change, and that may probably just put a cap on how much the market can move going from here. So just be cautious, and I would say yeah, that's all I have to share. And again, tomorrow probably likely could see this 54.70 level, and if it coming back up, likely probably going to stop at this 55.60 level. Probably that would be the most that it could push up there, but we'll stop there. And yeah, wish you all the best. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.